Let me show you how you guys can download retro games on iPad. First, you want to open up your App Store, and on your App Store, you want to click on the search bar at the top. Over here, you want to write DELTA, Delta, and search for it. Once you search for it, you will see the Delta game emulator. Click on get and it'll start to download. Once it downloads and install, you can open it and start using it. It's going to have multiple retro games inside it. It's like a retro game emulator app. So yeah, that's how you guys can basically run or download retro games on iPad. And you can click on search over here to just search for game. In my case, I haven't installed any games over here, but as you guys can see, you can import games by pressing X. So first, download retro games on your files by going to Safari. If you want to, from Safari, search for a retro game and download it, and click on the plus over here, click on files and download the game from files. So that's the way to do it. Now, I cannot teach you how to download games because there's hundreds of different retro games. You can go on YouTube and search for how to install games in Delta app on iPad. It's going to show you whichever specific game you want to install. All right, so hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel.